Hey guys, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Shakeira. Welcome back to my channel. Now this video is going to be a very quick tutorial. I did a very simple updo with an Afro puff and a nice rubber band hairstyle in the front. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like us type 4C girls, we can rock a really good hairstyle without trying to manipulate our curls. So that is what I wanted to do today. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my twist outs and my braid outs. I have a lot of tutorials with those type of hairstyles, but I wanted to show you guys that our hair can look good with just a nice healthy looking puff. So let's just jump right into this tutorial. So I started by sectioning out the amount of hair that I'm going to be styling with the rubber bands. I split that section down into equal halves because the style I do on one side, I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the other side. Now this side that I'm starting on, I'm gonna break it down again into 3 smaller sections, and I'm using my shine and jam to help me clean up my part and clean up the section a bit. So I'm just trying to make sure my section is as neat as possible, no flyaway hair, because this is a very simple hairstyle. So I feel like when the hairstyle is very simple, it is very important for you to have very clean part, no flyaway hair, for it to look really cute. And I'm twisting my ends all the way down, like I said again, because I want it to be as neat as possible. So for the second section, I'm just going to join the first section into the second section and do the same thing like what I did for the first one. Secure it with a rubber band and then twist it all the way down to the end. And then I'm going to repeat it for a third time with the third section. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And at first I was going to leave the rubber band hairstyle just as it is, but then I decided to add some flat twists to the sides of the rubber band hairstyle, so that is what I did. So now that I have my little style in the front and I'm happy with how it is looking, I'm just going to take a rubber band and I'm going to try to make a mini puff with the section in the front. And I did go back in and loose out the ends of my twist because I wanted the front puff to be able to blend seamlessly with the puff in the back. Now for the rest of my hair, I'm gonna just put them up into a high puff. And because my hair is not fully stretched or anything like that, I'm putting it up in sections. I mean, my hair is long enough to just, you know, put all up in one, but you guys know me already. I love to put my hair up in sections because then I'm not causing a lot of damage to my hair. I'm not pulling my hair too tight, and I'm really taking care of my edges because I have very thin edges naturally, and I always put my edges up last because I do not want to cause any damage to my hair by applying too much tension. So putting my hair up in sections is just my way of protecting my hair the best that I can. If you have longer hair, then you can probably skip this step, but if you have hair about my length or even shorter, I highly recommend you guys practice putting your hair up in sections. I mean, it is a lot more work than if you just like try to brush all up in one at the same time, but I don't mind the extra steps, and this is something you guys probably already know by now by watching my tutorials. I try to break it down as best as I can to protect my hair as best as I can. Like, I would not put anything over the health of my hair at this point, so I don't mind the extra steps. You guys can skip it if you like. I mean, it's just a matter of personal preference. At the end of the day, we are all going to achieve the same hairstyle. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also hit the bell to be notified every time I post, and comment and ask me any questions, you know, hair related or otherwise, or just say hi if you're not sure what to ask. I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.